Before setting up the compass, we can choose the default compass style. Click the Compass drop-down menu. Click Compass Settings. This will open a pop-up window. Here you can select one of three options: clockwise, non-clockwise 1, and non-clockwise 2. After this, we need to select the hemisphere the modules are located on. On the northern hemisphere, the modules will face south. On the southern hemisphere, the modules will face north. After choosing a type of compass for your project, it is suggested that you select Save as default. We can proceed to set up the compass on the drawing. Click on the Compass button. You may choose the option Perpendicular. If you select this option, you can click through the existing lines and the compass line will come perpendicular to the draw line. Draw the line in direction of module facing. First point should be on the north side and the second on the south. The compass is following the cursor on screen. You need to enter the insert point. You can draw multiple compasses in one drawing. Just keep adding the compasses like before. After you have entered all the compasses you wish, we need to edit the linking. We need to link the right compass to the right layout boundary. To do this, go to the Compass drop-down menu. There is the Edit Linking button. This will open a pop-up window. Here you can see all the layout boundaries with the attached compass and azimuth value. Select the layout you want to edit and click on the Edit Link option. This will open a pop-up window where you can see all the compasses on your drawing with the corresponding azimuth value. Here you can select the compass you want to link to your boundary. Check the box in front of the compass and click Link Selected Item. You can only select one compass since you can't have multiple compasses linked to one boundary. You can also continue without linking if you don't want to link a compass. The compass will now be linked to the layout boundary. You can see the compass and azimuth values will now be filled into the fields. Underneath the Compass drop-down menu, there is the Highlight Compass option. This functions as a toggle button. When activating this button, you will get a visual representation of which compass is linked to which boundary. There will be a dotted line drawn from to compass to the corresponding boundary. Rotate View option allows you to rotate your drawing to make your modules face straight. Rotate View acts like Toggle View option, nevertheless it keeps the XY coordinates straight. Click on the Rotate View option. Select the boundary you wish to rotate to. To go back to the original XY coordinates, click on the Rotate View option again. You can rotate U-View to any boundary a compass is linked to by just clicking in the boundary. If you select Compass, you will see the drop-down menu arrow. Click on it to get a drop-down menu for choosing what type of PV panels, orientation-wise, you will have. Landscape, Portrait, Landscape EW, and Portrait EW. In the lower right corner of your AutoCAD BricsCAD application, there are settings for changing the scale of the drawing. Click on the Annotative Scales icon to turn on your annotative dimensioning on. When this option is active, the icon should appear blue. Click the drop-down menu next to the scale and select the optimal scale for your project. For this case, we will create a new scale, 1 to 500. Click on the Custom option. The pop-up window will appear with the existing scales. Click on Add, and this will bring up another pop-up window where you need to enter scale name and properties paper and drawing units. When making drawing in meters, then the drawing unit should be divided by 1000. In our case, it would be 0.5. The reason for this is because the paper units will remain in millimeters. Click OK to add your custom scale to the list. Select the scale and click OK again. We think it's worth to set up a template drawing which includes your most common scales.